Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a video to go over some of the features that you'll need to know regarding complex numbers and GeoGebra. So first thing you'll do is you want to go to the website, geogebra.org. The home screen, go ahead and hit the Start Calculator. It works just like Desmos, where it has a web-based calculator that has all the features that we'll need. And then the layout is also similar to Desmos, where it has this little input panel on the side. This is what I'll be using to input my numbers. So the numbers I want to input are going to be Z1 as 1 plus I, and you type it just like you see it on the screen, where you use I for the imaginary unit. Z2 is going to be 3 plus I, and Z3 is going to be 3 plus 4I. Let me zoom out. And you can see that these are the 3 points. Now, if you click on one of the points, this little menu pops up. This little paint bucket allows you to change the color. But what I'm interested in doing is also changing not just the color, but also changing so it shows the value for each one of these points. So this menu over here on the side, I can change so it shows the value. And then what's nice about these points is they're completely dynamic, so I can change this point, drag it on over here. I can change this point, drag it down over here, and it shows the location of that point. Okay, so now that I have my points plotted, I want to connect them into what you can see that they form a little triangle. So I want to use the polygon feature. So I'm going to go back to my input bar and start typing out polygon. And it gives me a couple of different options. I want to click the third option down where it says polygon with the list of points. So my polygon, my vertices, I want these 3 complex numbers to be the points. So I type in Z1. And you have to separate them with the comma in between each one. And then go ahead and hit enter. And then it plots it. I can go ahead and change the see-throughness, I guess. And I can change also the color. And then it also changes it dynamically anytime I move the points. So basically this polygon is defined by these 3 complex numbers. And that's the first thing you'll need to know for working with GeoGebra.